Yo, it's your boy Will, and I'm back on another video, and today we will clean up the world, and this is day 30. I repeat, this is day 30. 7 minutes, man. Broke the tripod, bro. That was a liar, bro. He ain't stopping nothing. He ain't stopping a thing at all. He ain't stopping nothing. Hope you all up. Cause it's time to eat, man. It's time to eat, dog. It's time to eat. Real. Ain't no time to be laying down at all. Ain't no time to be laying down, man. No time to be laying down. We have to retire our parents, bro. For real. For real. I ain't trying to be corny to say it. That is what it is, bro. Too much stuff going on in the world. The economy going up. Everybody acting crazy on the internet. And that's the truth, bro. Babies getting made day after day. Have to be able, man. We have to be able to afford anything that we want. Like, for real, man. You can't live the life, man. Be mediocre. Mediocre and can't afford anything. For real. Can't live like that. So that's why I always promote us to get up every single day, stop holding our pillows so tight, and get straight to work. So lock in, for real, lock in. You know, you got opportunity in life, man. Especially if you're on Earth, you got opportunity. If you're alive today, you got opportunity, bro. God didn't put you on this earth and earth. He put you on earth for a purpose, bro. For a purpose in life. Everybody is capable to do something that's amazing in life. No matter what it is. So lock in, man. For real. One minute. 1 minute, dog. With the moves today that will change your life forever. Lots of ass will never see. You know? That's so you can know about money. Or read some books, man. Stop procrastinating. It's time to go. It's your boy Will. It's your boy Will. Check him out. Now go.